I actually got like popcorns from Seattle. You know, the last time I went to Mountain View, I brought all of this popcorn too, and my coworkers actually love it, so I'm bringing them back. Cute!
Medicine. Already has popcorn.
Sweet popcorn with the sharon.
Yeah. That's my sweets for the day, and I know I'm going to eat some more, so.
Just finished work, guys, and I'm walking home. Okay guys, I just arrived and look at the line. Crazy! Oh my god, guys. The line is like crazy. It is crazy. Okay, let's see. So from here to there, and then all the way.
Design better systems.
Elena, say hi.
They know. I made it.
so random.
They said
Wow.
we ran out of another PR. Now,
The big huge crowd.
Okay, we're going out and gonna eat because we're really hungry. Ochi, what do you think of the first day of conference?
It's horrendous.
Okay guys, I just got back and I want to show you what I got from today. So first, this bag, and then I actually got a hat. So cute. Oh, you know what? There's the color code for this. So cute. Okay. Wow. Config. And then charm. This is my name tag. And water bottle. So cute. And the magazine. Wow. Figma pen. Figma pen. It's a marker. Some stickers. Okay guys, I just arrived and it's day 2 of config. Okay guys, first things first, I'm gonna be doing the back customization because like yesterday it was like so crowded and like the line was really long, and then they closed when I was about to do it, so I have to do it right now. Yeah, you can use like you can select the patches design and then they're gonna print it for you for your bags. Oh my god, even now the line is still really long. I think this is at least an hour wait.
Alright, so all the patches have a corresponding number?
18, 23, and then what's the smiley face? Oh, 26.
Want to see any others? You're good with those.
I should be good with that.
Okay, you want to arrange them?
Yes. Yep.
Always more fun.
Yeah. Well, finally after an hour.
Right? But it wasn't as bad as the aura. Did you do the aura thing yesterday?
No. Oh my god, I should do it.
I'm a very spiritual, so I like to like.
But it's actually like yay! Thank you. Okay guys, we're gonna be going to the session. I'm with Jess. So how's the conference so far?
It's hectic and a lot of AI.
Optimize 2. Intro, Princess Diaries.
details that are carefully composed makes the difference.
Dude, all the sessions are really cool. Damn.
Show your patches. Oh. I'm the crazy patch lady. They're giving it out.
Gallery of templates. We have a bunch of different templates created by the community and also by our own Figmates who work at Figma.
Hey guys, the conference is finally over and I'm actually going out to Elaine's place, my college friend. Actually not college friend, but like, yeah, I know her when I was in college. I'm out early because like I don't want to be in the middle of like everyone going out. But anyways, so Elaine is actually ordering me Waymo. This is so random, but like I'm gonna, okay, here, can you see it? Okay, I'm gonna wait for the Waymo here and actually find where it's gonna pick me up. Okay, here's the Waymo. Look. Oh my god. Guys, it's the self-driving car. That's my school. It's been a while. By the way, you know what? The first time I've ever seen this car on the street, I actually thought that it was a ghost. Cause like, I was so shocked and I didn't know that it's a self-driving car. I thought my eyes were playing tricks on me because there's no one in the car but it's driving. So I really thought it was a ghost. So I freaked out a lot, like a lot. But now I know. So in here it actually shows you like your route to the destination. The view's so nice though. By the way guys, we're gonna do Lem, serius sedingin itu emang. She's literally wearing North Face.
Di mana Seattle?
And I'm just wearing shirt. Okay, we're going to eat dinner. Okay Len, where are we eating?
We're eating at a sushi place.
Wih.
Moshi.
Betul ini bagus banget sih view-nya.